In this video, we will going to learn the relation amongst trigonometrical ratio of complementary angle. So we have triangle PRQ in which angle R is 90 degree and P and Q angles are complementary angles. If angle Q is theta degree, then angle P will become 90 minus theta. As you know, sum of the two complementary angle equals to 90 degree. Now, if I have to find out sine theta, I will see the angle theta in the diagram, and as you know, sine ratio is nothing but opposite side upon hypotenuse. So the opposite side of angle theta is PR, so PR upon PQ. Similarly, cos theta will become adjacent upon hypotenuse, so QR upon PQ. And tan theta is nothing but opposite side upon adjacent side, so PR upon QR. So we have got sine, cos and tan ratio of theta degree. Now we will go for same thing for 90 minus theta. So sine of 90 minus theta is nothing but QR upon PQ, because QR is the opposite side of angle 90 minus theta degree. Similarly, cos will become PR upon PQ and tan will become QR upon PR. Now let us see the relation. You will find when you see the red one and the blue one, compare it, you will find sine theta and cos theta. See here, see from where cos 90 minus theta have the same value. You will see that all the three are having same value. So you can say that sine theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. Similarly, we have cos theta. So you can see from red side, second equation, cos theta is QR upon PQ and sine 90 minus theta is QR upon PQ. So you will find that all these three have a same ratio. See here. Therefore, we can conclude it as cos theta equals to sine 90 minus theta. Then we have tan theta. Tan theta is equals to PR upon QR and tan 90 minus theta is QR upon PR. When you see the ratio on the right side, they are reciprocal to each other, and whenever they are reciprocal to each other and when we multiply them, we get value as 1, and therefore we say that tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equals to 1. Similarly, one more thing, let us check sine theta upon cos theta. As you know, sine theta is PR upon PQ and cos theta is QR upon PQ. So we have kept one below the other. The same thing we can write in the multiple form. So you know that PR upon PQ numerator will remain as it is, but the denominator, which was QR upon PQ, will turn to the reciprocal of it. So it will become PQ upon QR. So sine theta upon cos theta will be equals to PR upon PQ multiplied by PQ upon QR. As you can see, PQ and PQ will get cancelled. So we get sine theta upon cos theta equals to PR upon QR, and check with the tan theta, you will find the same thing, PR upon QR, and therefore it is equals to tan theta. So you can say that sine theta upon cos theta equals to tan theta. Same thing with the blue color equation also, you can say tan of 90 minus theta equals to sine of 90 minus theta upon cos of 90 minus theta. It will give you the same value. So let us conclude what we have learnt. Sine theta equals to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta equals to sine 90 minus theta, tan theta into tan 90 minus theta equals to 1, and sine theta upon cos theta equals to tan theta. All these things we need to learn, because we will be using this to solve many trigonometrical application based sums. Let us go further. We are going to learn something to find out the trigonometrical ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. As you know, trigonometry means we require right angle triangle. So we have here right angle triangle ABC. You can see in the diagram angle C is 30 degree. So automatically angle A will become 60 degree. Now we have also learned that if the triangle is a right angle triangle and the other two angles are 30 degree and 60 degree, then we know that the side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. So if I take AB, which is opposite to 30 degree, is x, then AC will become 2x and BC will become root 3x by 30, 60, 90 degree theorem. The values are there on the sides. Now sine 30, as you know, opposite upon hypotenuse, so you can see x upon 2x, cancellation, you will get sine 30 equals to half. Let us try for cos 30. So cos 30 is BC upon AC, adjacent side upon hypotenuse, substitution, root 3x upon 2x. When you simplify, you will get cos 30 equals to root 3 upon 2. Let us check something else. We have tan 30. Tan 30 is opposite upon adjacent. So AB upon BC. When we substitute the value, x upon root 3x. So tan 30 equals to 1 upon root 3. This is all about 30 degree. Similarly, we are going to find out for 60 degree. So sine 60 is BC upon AC, which further simplify, we get it what? Sine 60 degree is root 3 upon 2. Cos 60 is AB upon AC, which will give to you x upon 2x, and cos 60 is nothing but half. Tan 60 is BC upon AB, so root 3x upon x. So the tan 60 is root 3 upon 1. Let us conclude it. Sine 30 degree is half, cos 30 is root 3 upon 2, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, sine 60 is root 3 upon 2, cos 60 is 1 upon 2, and tan 60 is root 3 upon 1. Let us go for 45 degree also. This property also we have learned. So the diagram as it is a isosceles right angle triangle. So the two sides forming right angle are equal. We have taken x and x. By Pythagoras you can find out AC, that will be root 2x. So let us see. Sine 45 is as usual AB upon AC. So the answer you will get it as 1 upon root 2. Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 is again simplify, you will get 1 upon root 2. And tan 45 is AB upon BC. So tan 45 is x upon x, which will give you answer as 1. Now we will consolidate it and learn all the angles together. So we have ratios, we have learned sine, cos and tan. Then we have learned the measure of angles. They are particularly 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So the first value sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 upon 2, sine 45 is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 is root 3 upon 2 and sine 90 is 1. Then cos 0 equals to 1, cos 30 equals to root 3 upon 2, cos 45 equals to 1 upon root 2, cos 60 equals to 1 upon 2 and cos 90 equals to 0. Let us go for tan ratio. So tan 0 equals to 0 and tan 30 equals to 1 upon root 3, tan 45 is 1 and tan 60 is root 3 and tan 90 is not defined. I hope you have understood this. In the next video, I will send you how to remember these values by heart. We have one more identity which is given to us, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1.